Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove Yahoo search engine from Chrome browser. Click three dots on the top right corner. Click Settings. Click Search Engine. Click Manage Search Engines. Click Remove from List. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.